We picked the XPR over the air plasma because the XPR has a better cut quality and obviously the flexibility on the different materials. I'm Ray, the director of Westholme Fabrications. We're a small family-run engineering company. We make machine fabrications for oil and gas, renewables, power transmission industry. We did quite a robust procurement exercise with it. Obviously it was a big investment for us, so we spent a lot of time looking at what it was about. And I think we found that the KUTAVAR package was exactly where we needed to be. There was a lot of options on the lower end and some options on a much more expensive machine, but actually the KUTAVAR package gave us the best solution at the most competitive entry point to allow us to buy in to an XPR. It's because of the industries we work in. We cut stainless, aluminium and obviously a lot of carbon, but we needed the flexibility on that. So particularly in the aluminium and the stainless, we cut up to 20-25 mil. So we had samples delivered from all the different power sources, and the XPR was by far the best quality, got us what we were looking for in terms of the standard of cut. It means that we can now process all that in-house rather than subcontract. Now we can set a full sheet up and we believe that it's going to finish that full sheet. As well as that, we've took a lot of work away from our milling machines. So before, where we didn't trust it to cut round holes, the new machine's cutting round holes perfectly bolt ready. It frees up other machines, so we're able to process more work in there, and that's reduced a huge bottleneck for us, which was slowing us down. We're quite particular about who we work with, so we want people to sell us an item but support it as well, and that's exactly what we've got. That was definitely a big part of the process to get there, but has been followed up by KUTAVAR since we purchased that. We have a bit of a friendship relationship rather than it being a business all the time. We sort of deal with each other quite easily. It's very informal, and generally we're operational all the time, which again is I guess a comment and a positive from the dealings we've had with KUTAVAR. We picked the XPR over the air plasma because the XPR has a better cut quality and obviously the flexibility on the different materials. As it's worked out, we're also seeing that it's cheaper to run than an air plasma. Consumables are lasting longer with a maintained cut quality, so benefit for us in the long run. It ticked all the boxes of everything that we knew we needed to add, and it allowed us to bring all of our work in-house rather than subcontracting, which is a huge benefit. It's basically paid for a man's wage to run the machine. We're saving that much money by transferring over to the XPR. And yeah, our productivity's gone up by 10 times what we were with the air plasma before.